Hey, got a troybuilt with a busted head. I'm going to change it. I use my Honda now, but that's my first 4-stroke, and I wouldn't mind using it just around the farm. So what happened? The gearhead got hot and melted. This is brand new. Put it somewhere. It's brand new. It's see how that's off. That's off. You can see it there. It melted it. It's got all the good parts inside it still. It's just the end piece melted. So you can save them for the end of that. It's one of those quick feeds. So yeah, I'm going to change that, and you're going to see me do it. Well, there's a few things I could have called this video, because I'm having to take the gearhead apart. Screws are out. Take this one out too, I suppose. I think that should be right. What's happened, I can't even uncover the holes for the thing. That's all melted in there. I can't get it. Oh, yep. Yes. Well, that's what's inside the gearhead. 2 bearings. This runs on there. So now that shouldn't be stuck in there. So the plastic got up inside. I really don't understand this, but I do understand one thing. I'll clean it up and put more grease inside. 2 hands for that. So what I'm going to do is locate, get this out, because see how that's melted? That's bad. I need to unscrew this. So that's my next course of action. Get it unscrewed somehow. The conventional way was put the pin through and unwind it, like lock the shaft and unwind it. It's not going to work here, but there you go. Well, that's pretty that's not too free actually. Troybuilt. I'll clean that up, free it up, and make the thing run a lot better. That was running very hot. So yeah, I'll free that up. Well, this worked. In the vise, not too tight, enough to hold it. Then geez, she's tight. See the carnage on this thing, eh? Let's have a look. Oh, hello. That's how bad that got. Look at the carnage. Now, where's the hole? Get all this out. I believe in here is where. Yep. You know, this is the S7, Samsung Galaxy S7, and I'm having trouble zooming in. I believe that is where the Allen key is supposed to go to lock the shaft. And it's full of melted plastic. So I'm going to get that out. Small drill bit did the trick, as you can see. That's out. That's a bit that was just plastic. That can just go in the bin. Nothing wrong with that saw. They leak, so you know, tip it upside down, Anyway, now for this. Now, as I was saying, that's what goes on inside. You know, I'm going to put some grease in there though. Where do I put that grease? Hang on. Screwdrivers are much easier to clean than a finger. I reckon I should get some in on them bearings, or under them. Well, those bearings should have had grease in them. I reckon this will do it. They're not sealed bearings. Stick that back in there, got nowhere else to put it. Just want to seal it up a bit. Starting to sound a bit better. Oh yeah. Well, that's just the if you have a look, that would be the whatchamacallit, that cable, that square cable. Starting to sound a lot better. See what that does. Which way does the thing actually turn? Yeah, see that? So that's the way it turns. Yeah, that's right. That's interesting to watch. Watch that all day. Get it up at high speed, eh? And sweet. Put a bit in there, I suppose. Get some more of this stuff. And you get. Anyway, I'm going to do that. I reckon. Non-hardening sealant, just to keep the crap out of it. You know, it looks like they had a bit of a seal and it wasn't very good, so I'm going to put my own on. Well, there it is. Only 2 screws in for now. Nice and free. I was very shy with the seal because I didn't want it to go into the gears. Now, let's see if I can find a head for it. Well, try and get this thing to zoom or to focus. That on there. I was hoping for a blade, but they didn't have the right stuff, so poke that through there and then poke it through there. I think it sounds like more stuffing around than anything else, too much downtime. But good, I want to clear blackberries off with this thing, you know, do some cleaning up around the place. So like that, and oh, I've got to tighten it, and that takes 2 hands. Nice and tight. Let's put it on, which is just a matter of matter of 2 hands again, but it's one of those. You could get different attachments for this thing. To be honest, I wouldn't. It's not much. It's not that crash hot when it comes to power. It's all right. But give me a sec. Hasn't run for ages, so I reckon it's going to be hard to start. Probably real hard to start, I'd say. The Honda starts almost first go every time. I'll do a carby video next. Well, it cuts grass. Did a little bit there. Without PPE, I don't really want to get carried away. Just spins, does its job, and once I pull that carby apart in another video, I'll be good to clear off blackberries and stuff, which is what I want. Anyway, I'll tell you right now, don't buy a troybuilt, but if you're me and you listen to people in the shop and they tell you that they're a good thing, spends more time being worked on than anything else, I would say don't buy them. If you do, be prepared to watch videos on YouTube to fix them. Yeah, there's nothing on YouTube that I could find to really help me out with anything, so yeah, I'll try and put what I can up there. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out a bit. It gives you some ideas, if not the exact answer. And yeah, happy trails.